I literally feel like I'm like 5 inches taller. It felt so good.
You ready now? How long's it been since you were adjusted?
I think it's
6 months?
since December.
You think December you got in? Okay, so about 4 or 5 months. Okay, a lot of traveling, a lot of airfare. Flying is a lot of stress, different pillows, different mattresses. All of that stress, of course, is accumulating on your spine, ultimately affecting the joints and the nerves. So what we're gonna do today, we're gonna alleviate that. We're gonna improve the function of your body. Sound good?
Yeah.
All right, let's slide that back. Here we go. So I can see a lot of congestion up in here. Okay, Jeremy, let's start right in here. I want you to breathe and exhale. I'm going to apply a little pressure. Good. Nice. Okay, face me. Tagilid, harap sa akin. Tagalog has improved a bit.
Yeah.
In the past few months. Let's take a deep breath and exhale. Good. Okay, now you're going to lie the other way. Kabila. Good. Good. There you go. Hang on to your elbow. There we go. Let's breathe and exhale. Good.
Ooh.
Okay, face up. Higa. Okay, good. Let's take a deep breath and exhale. Nice. Okay, and relax. Nice. So what we're doing is we're being very specific, locating these misalignments, and then we're delivering a certain amount of force with speed to really improve that function of the joint and the nerve. Okay, so here first. Good. Just like that. All right. You are ready. Tapos na.
That was so good.
Yeah. Now you need a good nap.
That feels so good.
Yeah. Okay. Your turn. You and the camera. Your turn. Now, chiropractic doesn't cure. We don't cure anything. What we do is we allow the nervous system, the body, to function better, and so we allow the body to help itself, and so we can improve quality of life, just help people feel better.
Have you watched the video in YouTube? Like, there's a guy who couldn't straighten like for years.
Yeah, I have lots of cases like that. We have a case where a guy just recently, I said, oh, we should have videoed that. The guy's coming in, with his wife, because, he can't straighten, and now he's walking erect. Yeah, so we have cases like that. Yeah. We've had crazy cases, where, chiropractic helps infertility. Women that can't get pregnant, because what happens is with the misalignment, it blocks the nerve to fallopian tubes, to the ovaries, to the reproductive organs, so it can affect getting pregnant. So by unlocking that, by relieving that stress, improving function to those organs, we help pregnancy, we help allergies, we help asthma, we help dizziness. All of those are symptoms, so by unlocking the nervous system, it allows the body to heal itself.
Sometimes there are people like who's scared of going to chiropractors because, I'm pregnant. I'm not.
You should get adjustment in pregnancy. Chiro pregnancy reduces the chances of C-section. So if you want to have a natural birth process, which is very important for the child to have a natural birth process, chiro is going to help reduce the chances of C-section. It speeds up labor, makes mom feel good, and it's good for the baby.
The pressure is released. It's been like 10 minutes now since I just got adjusted by Dr. Rob. That was my first adjustment since like 5 months ago. And I'm feeling so good. I literally feel like I'm like 5 inches taller. I can hold my posture so well. It's such a big difference getting adjusted again. My head is on lighter. My head feels lighter. Or like my neck feels like there's less pressure on it. It's crazy just after like few minutes of being adjusted, it felt so good, and getting adjusted felt so good as well. I can definitely tell a big difference after not getting adjusted for a while, since we've been traveling, doing a lot of film shoots, and I've been carrying my heavy equipment backpack a lot, so I must have had a lot of pressure on my spine, the joints in my spine. And yeah, just getting that adjusted today felt so good. Thanks to Dr. Rob. If you have questions, I'll leave his information in the description, so make sure to message him directly. I'll leave his phone number and his Facebook account. Alright, see you next time. Bye-bye.
Tapos na. Tapos na. Mabilis, magaling, mas madali lang sumaya. Ganun. Nakakainis. Tama na.
I know, my neck feels so light too. It's like,
Oo, ang light niya.
it's like boom, 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 boom.
Exorcist.